So here's a short little video on just adjusting tones of different voices. Some of them are MIDI, and some of them are just your standard voice. So for example, here we can go to, got a couple of things here just to show you. If you go to tune and output, you can adjust. You double click, you scroll down somewhere, you can just double click on it and it'll snap back to 0. So here's just a quick one here. So this is the normal, the standard one, and then you can change that. You can drop it deeper, you can make it higher as well. And the other thing you can do is go into your tone and you can adjust, and the effect of this will be vary depending on whether it's just a voice or a MIDI voice. So adjusting the attack, it will increase it, it'll slow down the initial loudness and build. You can't notice it as much on here, but the decay will stretch it out. If you increase it, and if you decrease it, it'll start shortening it and deadening it till you get just a click. Your release, this will, again, it depending on the tone, the voice itself will affect it. Filter will just filter different. And then you have your resonance, which can vary it a lot as well. Now this is a MIDI sound, so you're going to have a little more control over the effects and how things will change. And if you notice here, on the tom sound, all you got was a plus or minus, whereas with the voice here, you can actually change the note itself. So that's a A, and this is a C. And if you go into tone here, you can notice a little more. Change the attack. It'll start off soft and build up. And going the other way, it doesn't change it as noticeably, but same with decay. The release will be a lot slower, so that tone is set to, where is it here? Effect sound. Okay, that's down in the MIDI. So if you go down in the MIDI, message type, it's set for 2.8 seconds. But as you change your release, see, it's still ringing. You back it off, and you're back to the, hear how it cut it off? So that's your release. And your resonance. So you play around with these and you can change the sound quite drastically. On some others it only affects it a little bit. That was a snare noise. Okay, so that's it. Just a lot of it really is trial and error. You have to play around with it to get the sound you like. Some sounds will be modifiable to a greater extent than others, but yeah, it's can be a lot of fun messing around with it.